All right, welcome back. So in this video, you are going to learn how to build out your membership area. It's very simple, so this is not even going to have to be a long video. As you can see, how to make a membership area, create funnel, sell your product, and then it's going to be right here. You know that it's a membership area by this little logo right here, and it's always good to actually give this a name. And you'll see why when it comes time to start integrating. But always name this the exact name it after the product that it is that's inside of this membership area. Next thing you need to do, let's assume that you already have all of this set up here. So let's just pick a random one. All right, dope. So this is going to be the place where they log in. And then let's go to membership area. And then let's pick this one. This is the one that looks the best. So let's just go with this one. All right, so this is how you create your membership area. It's based off of sections and lessons. A section is basically like a folder. A lesson is what is included in that folder. So for instance, let's just say we wanted to create a new section like this one where it's how to use Clickfunnels. And then you would connect it to the product that it is that you have. So as you see, if you remember, we created this product inside of the test funnel that we were creating. And then in order to make sure that after someone purchases this, they get access to this section, you want to just make sure you click this, and then any other stuff that you want to add, just control click. But we're just going to leave it on that one. So cool. Name the section how to use Clickfunnels. Create lesson. Awesome. So now that's populated there. Next, you want to actually add lessons into there. So it's very simple. You add a lesson, you choose what section you want it to be in, so how to use Clickfunnels. You name what it is that it's going to be, so how to create a membership area. And then you pick a page template. So there's one that says resource list. I always just go for video lesson and then I edit from there. And then you can have it drip out if you want to. I personally never do that. It frustrates people for the people who like to go through courses fast. And then this is actually new where you can actually set a required amount of time that someone has to watch the video in order for it to be considered complete. And it obviously does it in seconds. And then you can have this release on very specific dates. It's honestly, I would completely ignore this. And the drip delay one. It all that does is frustrate people. I guess you can find a situation where this actually comes in handy, but drip delays just avoid at all costs. So next thing you want to do is just hit create lesson. All right, cool. Lesson 1, how to create a membership area. So now how do we edit these membership areas? So you want to hit this part. This is the edit button. And I'll show you what the other buttons do in a second, but hit edit button and you're able to just change the names and stuff like that. But we want to actually edit in what this is going to look like. So you want to click open editor. And awesome, this is what they're going to see inside of their membership area. So you can name this how to, or let me just put this. Membership area tutorial. You could put a little subheading right there. I don't see why you would need to, so I always just delete this. And this isn't something that would require any sort of what's it called? It's not something that would require any sort of downloads or anything like that. So you see how you may want to like explain something further inside of here or let people know what these resources are. So you can have like, oh, download MP4 video or download this video if you want it. And then you're able to click this, basically the same way that you would edit the sales page. But in this case, there's no resources that we need, so I would just delete this. Awesome. This is always this extra section that they put there. I would delete this as well. Now you're left with the clean membership area tutorial and the video. And then the video, very, very straightforward. We'll just go to YouTube. We'll just go to this one. All right, so shouts out to Baby No Money. He makes pretty funny music and he can rap very well. So go to YouTube, paste the link in there, and obviously you can use other links. So it has multiple video types. There's Vimeo, Wistia, HTML5, or just a custom embed. I'm using YouTube in this case. You might end up using the same. I personally always go with Wistia. You're going to see some videos in this course that are hosted on YouTube. And that's purely because like all these the tutorial videos I'm going to let live on YouTube so anyone can access it. And then that can act as a lead magnet for this course. You'll learn more about that inside of the sales portion, but just know that these videos are on YouTube. But if you want to basically maintain privacy, then Wistia is the way to go. And we'll obviously go over more of that in a later video as far as like what softwares are the best that work with Clickfunnels. You can have it autoplay. I never do that. Controls always leave on. Branding always leave on. Block pause, never turn that on. You can change the width if you want to, but I would avoid that. You can change the theme, so like what it looks like if you so choose. You can make it. You can change like the size of it, make it a little tiny video, or full width, and just little settings there. But this is the main thing that you need. So you have the title of it, you have the video in there. Click save. Back out of there. Now we have the lesson section. We have how to create a membership area, and we have our video that is in there. Moving forward, if I were actually creating this membership area, I would just duplicate this, change the name, how to put a pixel on your phone. Update lesson. Awesome, the name just changed. Copy this, open editor. Wait for it to load very slowly. Change the name. And then paste the new link inside of here. Click save. And we're good. So then, boom, like we have our 2 lessons. Let's say we're ready to add another one. How to sell with funnels. I might end up actually just using this membership area. No, actually, I won't. But yeah, make sure you connect it to the product. Create lesson. And then duplicate. This is normally how I do it, but I'll just duplicate this one. Instead of having to go through that whole add new lesson process, I'll just duplicate the last section, the last lesson in the previous section. Hit that, and then boom, change the name. Overview. Boom. So now it moves there. I can go into here. Overview. Hit save. Boom. And now we have a whole nother section that's part of the course. And then as you see, let's sign in real quick. So yeah, you see it right there. How to use Clickfunnels. We click that. There it is. Baby No Money. Let's not play their music. How to sell with funnels. Overview. There it is. And then inside of here is how we'll edit the membership area, but we'll get to that in a later video. So that's basically how you create the membership area. It's very simple, very straightforward, very easy to do. It just takes a little bit of time to make sure that it gets done. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.